Hey, how's it going, guys? Dan here at King Automotive. So behind me we have this 2005 Infiniti G35 Coupe. Such a great car, but this car has seen better days. So we're gonna completely restore the car inside and out. Bottom, top, front to back. We're gonna start with a paint job. We're gonna repaint the entire car. We're gonna add new headlights. We're also gonna add ground effects to the front bumper. We're gonna add a trunk spoiler. We're gonna renew the entire tint, the window film, reupholster the seats. We're gonna basically restore the entire suspension. We're gonna also add a sound system with a stereo and a backup camera. And we're gonna finish it off with some wheel spacers. And we're gonna repaint the wheels as well since they're a little scratched up too. So we're basically gonna completely restore this car. By the time we're done with it, it should look like it's fresh off the lot. Stay tuned.